The hanging bodies of a woman and her young son was found from the same tree on Saturday afternoon in Manikparai in the Santirbajar subdivision. The deceased has been identified as Manjita Riang and her son Dikshan Riang. Local residents first spotted the bodies suspended from a tree near a hilly area late in the evening and immediately alerted the authorities. Upon receiving the news, a team from the Santirbajar police station rushed to the spot. Given the sensitive nature of the case, forensic experts were summoned to collect evidence and samples from the scene. The bodies were subsequently shifted to the Santirbajar District Hospital for a post-mortem examination. The incident has sparked significant tension and speculation in the locality. While the circumstances suggest a possible suicide pact, several questions remain unanswered. The police have registered a case and initiated a thorough investigation. Reporter by Bikram from Santirbajar, Chinikhorang.